In this video, we are going to talk about navigating Canvas and putting content into Canvas and arranging content. So as you can see, I'm logged into Canvas and I am currently on my dashboard. Your dashboard will display the course cards for any courses that you are currently enrolled in, either as an instructor or as a student. On the left-hand side, the dark blue strip is the Canvas navigation menu. I'll point out a few things on this. The first one is the top icon, which is your account icon. If you click on it, one of the things you will want to adjust is your notifications. And if you click on notifications, you will see that you can update your notification preferences for many things in Canvas, including due dates, grading policies, content, so on and so forth. You can adjust these by clicking on the icons on the right, and then you can set how you would like to receive those, either via email or via text if you have your phone number associated with your UMich account. You can also click on the icons and set how often you would like these notifications sent to you. The other one that I'm going to highlight for you is how to adjust the course cards that show up on your dashboard. You can do that by clicking the courses icon from the Canvas navigation menu, clicking on all courses. The ones with the yellow stars to the left of them will show up on your dashboard. The ones with the white stars next to them will not show up on your dashboard. If you want to add a course to your dashboard, simply click the white star and it will turn orange. And then once you go back to your dashboard, you may have to refresh your dashboard, but you can see that course card will now show up on your dashboard. So this is how you can manipulate the overall look of Canvas. Now let's talk about your Canvas course itself. So we're going to go into a Canvas course, and we're going to discuss modules. Modules in a Canvas course, you can think of them as buckets in which you can put content. So this is your course navigation menu for this specific course. So if we go down and we click on modules, you will see that we have no modules in this. You can either click create a module, or you can click the plus module button in the upper right hand corner. So if we click the plus module button, you can see that we have a pop-up here that says add module. We'll want to name the module. You can name it whatever you would like, and then click add module. So once you have your module set up, and you can create as many of these as you want to add stuff to your module. And to do that, on the right hand side of the gray strip for module 1 here, you will see the plus button. When you click the plus button, you will be given a menu that will allow you to add many things to your module. If you click the drop down here, you can see that you can add an assignment that you've already created, a quiz, a file, so you can upload files, PDFs, PowerPoints, anything like that directly to a module, a page, a discussion, a text header, an external URL to another website, or you can use some of the external tools that we have linked in Canvas. So in order to do this, you would just select what you want to do. So we will do an external URL. You will then type in the URL. So we'll just use umich.edu, and then you can name the page. This will be what is displayed for your students. It won't display the URL, but it will display the name. One of the things that you would do in this is you want to make sure that the load in a new tab is set for any URLs that you want to load. That way it will open in a new tab in whatever browser your students are using. They can access the resource and still access the Canvas course at the same time. So once we have that all done, we click Add Item, and you can see that it has created a link within this module. The other thing you will need to do is on the right-hand side of both the module and whatever item you have put into the module, you will see that these two things are not published, which means your students cannot see them. You'll want to click the No icon and change it to a green check, and you will see that it is now published, and your students at this point can see the module and everything that is in the module. You will have to publish every single item that you put into the module, or if you put items into the module and then publish the module, Canvas will automatically publish everything in it. At that point, you can go through and unpublish anything that you want to unpublish. To get back to the front page of the course, you will click on Home, and you'll see that your module shows up. Now, as far as the Canvas navigation page for your course goes, you can edit what shows up for your students. And you do that by clicking on Settings. And then up at the top, you will have the Navigation tab. If we click on that, we will see everything that's listed here shows up over here. Below are some things that are built into Canvas or tied to Canvas that are defaulted to not showing up over here. If you want to move anything around, then all you have to do is click the kebab, which is the 3 vertical dots to the right of the name. You click those and you click Disable, and you'll see that it moved it down here to the bottom of the list of things that are not displayed. Once you have made any corrections or updated anything that you would like to not be visible to your students or to be visible to your students, you'll scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. And you will see that Pages no longer shows up over here in the Canvas navigation menu. So this is how you navigate Canvas as an LMS with the Canvas navigation menu, and this is how you navigate your Canvas course within each Canvas course.